Understanding, a game of two halves, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners, a game of two halves. This expression is rich in meaning and widely used in various contexts, not just in sports. Stick around as we break it down for you, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, a game of two halves, originally comes from the world of sports, particularly football, or soccer, depending on where you're from. It describes a match that has two distinct periods, with the performance or scoreline in the first half being significantly different from the second half. It encapsulates the idea that no matter the current situation, things can always change. While its roots are in sports, a game of two halves has transcended into everyday language. It metaphorically represents any situation in life or an event that undergoes a significant change or reversal. This could apply to a project at work, a personal relationship, or even a movie plot. The key takeaway is the potential for turnaround or transformation. Using a game of two halves in conversation signals your understanding that situations can evolve dramatically. For instance, this project was a game of two halves. It started off rocky, but we managed to pull through successfully. Their relationship is like a game of two halves. They had their ups and downs but found a way to make it work. It's a great phrase to acknowledge change and resilience, making your speech more nuanced and engaging. To deepen your understanding, let's look at how this phrase is used in media and literature. You'll find it in sports commentary, of course, but also in book reviews, movie critiques, and political analyses. It's used to describe any scenario with a notable shift in dynamics or outcomes. Paying attention to these uses will help you grasp its versatility and depth. And that's a wrap on A Game of Two Halves. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression, showcasing its origins, meanings, and uses. Remember, English is a game of two halves itself. It might seem challenging at first, but with persistence, you'll see significant progress. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.